Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Take equal parts softened butter and all-purpose flour, and mash them into a paste with a fork. Slowly whisk pieces of the paste into your gravy, letting it come back up to a boil until it reaches your desired consistency.
Take our lead.
Browning adds more flavor to the gravy and gets rid of the raw flour taste. You're basically making a roux. We find that a flour-based gravy holds up better and reheats better later, which is why we tend to prefer using flour over cornstarch to make gravy, unless we have a guest who is eating gluten-free.
Let's help you make your mark.
Flour or cornstarch will help to thicken any sauce, and gravy is no exception. As long as you can avoid making lumps, this option is the fastest way to thicken your gravy. Mix cornstarch or flour with a little water. You should put slightly more water than cornstarch or flour.
Take our lead.
The easiest way to thicken a sauce with plain flour is to make a flour slurry. Simply mix equal parts of flour and cold water in a cup, and when smooth, stir into the sauce. Add a small amount to a hot pan of sauce and whisk until combined. Simmer for 3 minutes to cook the flour and thicken.
Take our lead.
Adding too much stock. Adding too much stock to the roux will put you on the fast track to a thin and runny gravy. Follow this tip. To avoid a gravy that's too thin, start by whisking in just 1/2 to 1 cup of stock, depending on how much gravy you're making. Remember that it's easy to add more liquid as you need it.
Take our lead.
If that doesn't work, or you don't have time, thicken the gravy with a cornstarch slurry, which you make by whisking 1 tablespoon of cornstarch into 1 tablespoon of cold water in a small bowl until smooth. The basic formula is that 1 tablespoon of fat mixed with 1 tablespoon flour will thicken 1 cup of runny gravy.
Let's help you make your mark.
Some cooks find using a finely ground flour, also called instant or gravy flour, such as Wandra, helps prevent lumps. Also, thickeners other than flour, such as cornstarch and arrowroot, are less problematic and usually smooth out as you stir them.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.